welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on this mix today, we have a pastor beating his member. Now, how do you look at this or view this situation? There's this lady, we do not know what transpired between the pastor, the other lady in the background, and even the other members that took to her and started fighting this lady. This lady said that she was mentioning a $10,000 that she's not giving to them. She's not going to give her money to him. And the pastor was really upset to the point where he actually put his hand on the lady. And to tell you the truth, I didn't expect this from a pastor, someone that's called themselves a man of God. The man really manhandled this older woman. He pushed her to the ground and started. This man really hit the lady. And I mean, as a man, not only a man of God, but as a man, to look at a lady that is much older than you, that could have been basically your mother, and manhandle her or handle her like that. That's a big disrespect. And to tell you the truth, if that was my mother, man, this pastor would feel it because this is so crazy. Like, how do you get up as a man? You said you were a man of faith, man of God. In your church sisters are cursing bad words and stroking this woman just because of saying that she has to leave. No, we, the public, do not know what happened in this scenario. However, this is something that should not go lightly. Because for a pastor, someone who represents God, to be doing this is a real devil. This is a demon himself. And I don't come out stressing on stuff like this. But when you hear me come out, then it's something really bad. Because this lady, even though she was cursing, right? Even though she was angry as well, the pastor he had no right to put his hand on her. And he continued, even though he was being pulled away. And yes, the lady's going to try to defend herself because who's not going to do that? It's called reaction. But this pastor, he continued even to lie on this lady. No, the members of the church, no one there except for that man who tried to pull the pastor away, intervened. All of them were videoing and watching everything that was going down. And this other lady that was behind the camera took to her to and started beating her. Now, how do you, as a member, do that and feel comfortable in yourself and say that you're preaching the word and you're trying to reach lost souls? For me personally, I would never go to your church, sir. And you could never preach to me. And you could never, there's nothing in this world that you could say to me if if you wanted to say, tell me that, there's a God and I didn't believe. Because you, sir, represent the devil. And you are the devil himself. Come on, man, people of God, you need to change because the things that are happening in the world is what you're doing, and you expect people to follow your footsteps, saying that you're a saint. Come on, you need to change these things. And this is not for all Christians, but for this man and his church, always a peace up. I don't even know what to say because this hurt me to the core. To know that this man put his hand on this lady like that, and then other members joined in to do the same. Ono, ono fega jail, ono to wicked and lie. Yeah. Have yourselves a wonderful day, my friends, and for all my lovelies celebrating your birthdays today. Happy birthday. Okay? And I wish you guys joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this, your year. All my other lovelies and supporters, my friends, my followers, have yourselves a wonderful day and please go subscribe. Press on that notification bell so when I post, You always know. And remember, guys, to leave your comments down in the comment section. Have a wonderful day.
This is ridiculous. No, this is disrespect.
You don't give nothing. You don't give nothing either. But come here, say you don't give the half in no collection. Nothing. That's what I'm telling you, but I don't care. I am not putting my money. I am not putting my. That's how I'm going to chat people. That's why I'm not giving them my money. I was gonna give 10,000 to this damn church, and I am not giving a dime. I'll go away. You go to hell. I go to hell. I don't want to. You just send me to hell. You are not God. Yes.
Yes.
I don't respect you. I don't respect you.
Oh my God. 911. Jesus Christ. Lord. Oh my God. What is happening? What is happening? I You need to that his wife. Are you serious?
You know, she's crazy.
How can you disrespect?
You know, she's crazy.
His children and his wife.
That's the last time she'll be here.
I love your mind from last week.
Yeah, this will not happen.
Yeah,
I told you that.
This is all
Give me a chance. Don't think you're good. Whoever you carry like back, give me a chance. Give me a chance.
No, she have to go.
You know how much money you need to
No, she say I have to go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look at the bell. Rip off the bell. This is not a church. This is a war room. I've never seen this. Never. Never had no hands.
When he start fight with everybody, yes, she did right here. You.
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear nobody.
Everybody right
What is this, man? I only start fight.
Attack.
I only start fight.
Okay.
I attack you. And I you want to have me here. And you want to have me here. That's how I think.
Oh my God, that's a lie.
You're a liar. You're a liar.
I don't want to hear you.
You're a liar.
Stop lying.
The cops come.
Where did the bitch come from?
You're a liar. I want the cops come because they're going to lie.
That's why they will become here.
Okay.
How about this one, man?
No, be quiet. This lady is
Look inside, look on the hand. They're diabetic, look at it.
No,
By
you put
Georgia.
your hand in my mouth.
They put that in your mouth.
Yes, you did.
I'm about
Like
to
that.
put them up in your mouth.
Yes. All right.
You know?
Yeah, you did. You know you did. Okay?
Okay. No problem.
Anyway, I'm glad you did what
Check her home. Let's go home now, please.
Nobody now left ya.
Nobody not leaving here.
You now go to the door.
What do you mean nobody not leaving here? And look, yeah, we're gonna leave you in here then. And we have to go.
No, she's leaving. She's leaving.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
You just push too much fire, man.
I see the dirty girl.
What is that dirty girl? That's your church member. Don't tell me to shut up. I will lick you down. You don't know me. You don't know your life. You can be my grandmother. I'm not scared of you, bitch. I'm not scared of you. I'm scared of you.